English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Generalization, linguistics, norm. Generalization. Generalization is a noun. A generalization is a general statement or concept created by inference to specific cases. C1 learners usually know generalization. Here are some examples. It is a generalization, but it helps to show the bigger picture. You cannot use these anecdotes as a basis for generalization. He is well known for his sweeping generalizations. Linguistics. Linguistics is a noun, plural. C1 learners usually know linguistics. Linguistics is the study of human languages. Here are some examples. Linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure. Sociolinguistics is a branch of linguistics. Descriptive linguistics is the way that grammarians like to describe language. Norm. Norm is a noun. C1 learners usually know the norm. The norm is the usual or typical standard of performance or behavior. Here are some examples. In those days, strikes by miners were the norm. This kind of behavior is now the norm in UK. Heavy rainfall in November is now the norm. Now write some of your own sentences with generalization, linguistics and norm. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.